Texas lawmaker Stephanie Click wants to expand medical cannabis oil use in the state to include more diseases. If passed, the Compassionate Use Act would give access to thousands of Texans suffering from multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, and spasticity access. Our Emily Harrison is here in studio with us tonight. Emily, only a handful of people can actually use this oil.
Terry, it's less than 1% that can use this oil. In order to be considered for it, you have to have intractable epilepsy and then prove that at least 2 FDA-approved treatments don't work for you. Advocates for the oil say that they're happy lawmakers are taking a closer look at this issue to make sure that people aren't being left out.
Right now, it is so narrow, the parameters are so narrow that very, very few people, if any, can benefit from it.
Lawmakers are trying to change this by expanding the list of people who could take cannabis oil. The low levels of THC in the oil work to bring pain relief for various diseases.
It is very possible to have a low amount and still get all those medical benefits, and that's what Texas is aiming for, is trying to hit that sweet spot where you've got the medical benefits, but you don't have the psychoactive element.
If passed, the oil could be used for those suffering from spasticity access, epilepsy, and multiple sclerosis, all of them known for chronic pain.
You know how if your foot falls asleep and there's that tingling sensation of it waking up? They constantly have that tingling sensation, sometimes in their hands or in their feet. That's what they deal with on a daily basis.
Right now, there are 15 different FDA-approved drugs that can help with multiple sclerosis. But when those fail to work, advocates say it's time to start looking into alternative methods.
No 2 individuals have the same symptoms, but at the same time, no 2 treatments are going to help. Somebody can be very successful on our Copaxone drug, but somebody else, it doesn't even help them.
If the bill is passed, it would also eliminate the need for 2 doctors to approve the oil. Advocates say this is the result of more studies coming out about the advantages of medical marijuana.
These kinds of studies are coming out showing the enormous benefit that we can get from hemp plants altogether, not just cannabis, not just CBD, but all of it altogether. A lot of the viewpoint of the American public is changing.
Now, we asked you at home what you thought about expanding compassionate use. So far, 81% of you are in favor of it and 19% are against. Terry, it's sort of surprising poll.
Yeah, for such a conservative area, that does seem to be a surprising number of people that are for this, in my opinion, for this change. Now, I can imagine we'll only hear more about this as
more studies come out
and as it kind of comes to a vote and all of that.
Exactly.
All right, Emily, thanks so much.
Thank you.